Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mitsubishi Shogun. It's not as easy really as you would hope. It's not as intuitive as I'd hope, certainly. But first of all, anyway, we switch on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth's on, and then we just need to watch the space at the bottom. Unfortunately, at the moment, there's our Valitor's audio system coming up. And it'll also bring up my camera, which is just on the screen there, that also works off Bluetooth. So that'll come up. There we go. Right, now we've got those two up. So from any screen, you would think you'd probably go to settings or phone. However, you actually go to info. So if you go to settings, that's nothing. So click back on info here. Now on that screen you see the mobile phone there. It may be on the other screen, which shows you can have a choice of two screens, in which case you either click back to the other or just click the arrow until you get to the mobile phone. Click mobile phone, showing nothing. So there's an arrow here. If you click the arrow, you've got reset all, pairing, lock, registration and phone book. So we click pairing. Select device to connect, that's if they're already connected, or you need to register a new device. So click on register new device, go back there, and hands-free's come up. That's the one we need, hands-free system. Click on there and it says there, use the passkey 1212, 1212, pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using it again, but you will, so I'll click don't allow there and you'll be clicking allow. So that's it done. There you go, you can see it there, that's connected and it's showing hands-free connected here.